Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to look at the Exponential Hull Moving Average. Okay, we're going to be looking at the Exponential Hull Moving Average, or EHMA for short. Now, if you have been using standard moving averages like the EMA or the SMA and feel like they lag behind price action, then this video is for you. The EHMA is designed to be smoother, faster, and more accurate, helping you filter out market noise and catch trends earlier. Stick around as we break down what makes this indicator so powerful and how you can use it in your trading. All right. So what exactly is the Exponential Hull Moving Average? It is a unique blend of two popular indicators, the exponential moving average and the Hull moving average. Okay. Now, the EMA is great at reacting quickly to price, but it can still be a bit choppy. The HMA, on the other hand, is super smooth, but sometimes a little slow. So the EHMA combines the best of both worlds. It keeps the smoothness of the HMA while responding faster like the EMA. So why does this matter? Well, most moving averages tend to lag, meaning by the time they give you a signal, the price has already made a significant move. The EHMA reduces this lag, making it an excellent tool for trend traders who want faster, more reliable signals. Now, if you are a math nerd, yeah, here's a quick breakdown of how it is calculated. First, we apply a weighted moving average to the price over a short period. Next, we apply another WMA to smooth out the first calculation. Finally, we use an exponential function to speed up the response time, making the indicator faster and more accurate than a standard HMA. Now, if all of that sounded complicated, don't worry, okay? The good news is you don't need to calculate it manually because most trading platforms, including TradingView, MetaTrader, and NinjaTrader, they already have, basically the calculations have already been done for you. That is the reason why you have the indicator just right there. When you load it on your chart, it does the mathematics for you. It does the mathematics for you. You don't need to do any manual calculation. So all you need to do is to just add it to your chart and adjust the settings to match your strategy. Okay. Now let us get into the practical part. How do you actually use the exponential Hull moving average in your trading? Here are a few key strategies that you can use. The first is trend confirmation. All right. If the EHMA is sloping up, as we can see, let's look for a better example because it seems like it's kind of ranging in that particular scenario, right? So if the EHMA is sloping up, like what we can see happen here, right? If it is sloping up, we are in an uptrend. As easy as that. If it is sloping down, we are in a downtrend, right? It helps you avoid false signals by filtering out sideways movement. Now, for your entry and exit signals, when the price crosses above the EHMA, like what we can see happen here, it's a potential buy signal. When it crosses below, it's a potential sell signal, right? This works especially well when combined with RSI or MACD to confirm momentum. Now, let's talk about support and resistance zones. The EHMA can act as dynamic support or resistance. So when price pulls back to the EHMA and bounces, it could be a continuation of the trend. Like in this particular example, this was a sell trend, right? And you can see that when we had this bounce, although this particular area was more like a consolidation zone, this was more of a consolidation zone. But when let's look for another example because that Okay, let us use this buy trend as an example. You can see that when the price bounced back to the EHMA, you can see that it has served as dynamic support. It got rejected, went back up here again, got rejected, here again, got rejected. Although this one did not touch the moving average until we finally had a break of structure. Okay, so these we are representing areas of continuation in the direction of the bullish trend, right? The direction of the bullish trend. Okay, this one was kind of a false breakout. All right, now let's talk about the best settings for different trading styles. There is no one size fits all trading. All right, or rather there is no one size fits all settings, but here are some general guidelines. For scalping, for scalping you can actually use a 9 or 13 period EHMA on the 1 minute or 5 minute chart. Okay, this one will help you to catch quick short-term moves. But if you are a day trader, you can consider using the maybe 21 period or 34 period, right? Just to edit this. It works well on the 15-minute or 1 hour chart to capture intraday trends. All right. If you are a swing trader, you can consider using the default settings, or maybe you can also modify it depending on your trading style, depending on your tolerance for holding trades for long. You can still change it to maybe something like 55, 89, or 100, 150, depending on how smooth you want the EHMA to be. All right, depending on how fast you want it to react to price changes. Or that's what is going to determine the value you're going to input for your period. Okay, hope that is understood. Remember, the higher the period, the smoother the indicator, but it will also react slower. So you have to test the settings, different settings, and see what works best for your strategy. Let me just show you what I mean by the higher the period, the smoother the indicator. Let us use 50. You're going to see how this is going to react now. Can you see? The lower the period, the faster the indicator is going to react to price change. So you can see that the 50 period EHMA, it's reacting faster to price changes. But when you are using something like 200, you're going to see that it's going to smoothen out. Can you see? It smoothens out. So it depends on your trading style. That's what's going to determine the period, the value you're going to use for your the value you're going to use for the period here. Okay, so there you have it. The exponential Hull moving average is a game changer for traders looking for a fast, smooth, and reliable moving average. Whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading, this indicator can help you stay on the right side of the trend and avoid unnecessary noise. Let me know in the comments, have you used the EHMA before? What is your favorite moving average for trading? And if you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not done that already, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.